In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Shopee platform to search and purchase items efficiently. This guide is perfect for those new to online shopping or anyone looking to enhance their experience on Shopee. Let's dive right in. First, head to the Shopee dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface if it's your first time here. You'll notice a search bar at the top. This is your gateway to finding almost anything you could want on Shopee. Now, think of an item you want to purchase. For demonstration purposes, let's use a t-shirt as an example. Simply click on the search bar and type t-shirt, then press enter. You'll be greeted with a variety of options tailored to your search query. As you scroll through the selections, find a t-shirt that catches your eye. Clicking on it will bring up a detailed page with more information about the product. Here, you might see options for different variants if available. It's a good idea to choose the specific color, size, and quantity that suits your needs. Don't rush this part. Ensure your selections are exactly what you want before moving forward. Once you're satisfied, it's time to add your item to the cart. Doing so is straightforward. Just click the Add to Cart button, and you'll see a notification that your item has been added successfully. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Shopee dashboard. You'll notice a cart icon. Click on this to proceed to your cart overview. In the cart, you will see a list of items you've added. To continue with your purchase, check the box next to the item you want to buy. This selection ensures that you're preparing to purchase the right product. Now, click the Checkout button. You'll be redirected to a new page where you can review your order details. Double-check everything to avoid any issues later on. A unique feature on Shopee is the option to request an e-invoice. If you need one for your records, look for the e-invoice section and click on Request Now. This will prompt you to fill in a few necessary details. Simply enter your name, tax identification number, address information, and postal code. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid complications. After entering the required information, click Submit Request. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of purchasing an item on Shopee and requesting an e-invoice. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your shopping experience on Shopee is smooth and enjoyable. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave comments below.